Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever felt like coding is only for computer science experts, let me tell you, I used to feel the same way. I am an electrical engineer with almost zero programming background, but today I am teaching myself how to code and I'm loving it. In this video, I'll share how I got started learning to code from scratch. I'll share what helped me, my challenges, and how you also can do it. That said, let's get started. So here is how it all started. I was working on a project that involved data analysis and I realized I needed to understand how to work with data. That was how I discovered Python. Everyone kept saying it was the best language for handling data. At that point, being honest with you, I did not know how to code at all. But I had a strong motivation, so I decided to delve in. Now, let me be honest. My background was far from computer science, and so many of you who are familiar with my channel, you know that I'm an electrical engineer who loves mathematics. I am good and vast with mathematics, with circuits, but bad with syntax. I had no solid foundation in coding. Worst of it all, I thought I was getting into it too late. But I was wrong. Irrespective of your age, whether you're 40, 50, you can get into coding. The key is just to start, even if you know nothing. The very first platform I used wasn't even Python. It was MATLAB. I used it because I needed it to solve the project I was handling, and it was part of my academic project. But once I got more curious, I kept seeing people recommend Python. So I switched. And that decision changed everything. I started searching on Google for where to learn Python. I found a lot of YouTube courses, some web-based material, and also some learning platforms like Coursera. I got enrolled in the IBM Python course, and the good news is you can audit that course for free. That means you don't need to pay at the instant to learn. Another good resources that helped me is W3Schools web-based material. They have simple examples and they are easy to follow. Both materials, Coursera and W3Schools, gave me a strong start. Now, let me tell you the truth. It wasn't a smooth sail all through. I had challenges. One part of Python that really confused me was object-oriented programming. I needed to understand classes, objects, methods. It all seemed too abstract at first, but I stuck with it. And by practicing every day, it slowly started to make sense. I committed to learning every single day. Even if it was just 30 minutes, I made sure I kept going. That consistency helped me build momentum. Little by little, it all added up. I'll never forget the first time I built something that actually worked. My first project was a simple calculator app. But trust me, since I love mathematics, I got excited. I felt as if I'd built the whole of Google all through. That moment gave me so much confidence. I thought, wow. So if you are thinking about learning to code, start with Python. And I highly recommend IBM's Python course on Coursera. It's structured, beginner-friendly, and best of it all, it's free. You can audit it. Right now, I'm learning Django and working towards becoming a full-stack developer. I must tell you, it's a journey. I'm still learning every day, but I'm no longer afraid of coding. I'm no longer of reading long codes and long literatures on Stack Overflow. In fact, I now enjoy them. So, I have shared my story with you. If you've ever felt like coding is too hard or not meant for you, I hope this video shows you it's possible. If I could teach myself to code, starting from zero, so you can. If my story has inspired you, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more beginner-friendly tech and coding videos. I'll be glad if you tell me in the comment section how you got started